here we are.
Welcome. We finally get to bring you guys an Ayres hotel review vlog. This is one of our favorite hotels to stay at. We're staying at the Orange location. We've also stayed at the Anaheim location, which we both love. Let's show you around. We haven't been in this room before, so.
Yeah, this one's different. This room is different than what we've been in.
A little different than what we're used to. So right when you come in, we have a sink. So you have your pretty standard. It's a big tub.
Yeah.
Big shower.
Wow.
And it comes with shampoo, conditioner, body wash.
And this is like a tub style. So a nice round tub, almost like a jacuzzi style. And then you have nice, beautiful backsplash. All the amenities right here. And the toilet.
And behind the door here, we have a little storage space. We have some hangers, a hairdryer, some space down here for whatever you want to store, backpacks, shoes.
This is going to be the sink area. You got a nice big full-length mirror, as you can see there, and there I am recording. We have our sink right over there. Really nice, as you can see. They definitely spare no expenses. If you've seen our ALO hotel, you know that a lot of this stuff looks the same because it's a sister hotel of the ALO. So check out that review. All right, baby cakes.
All right, so right here you have the microwave. We have our refrigerator. It's a little mini fridge. Oh, I opened it the wrong way. Oh my gosh, there we go.
Yeah.
More storage space, which I love. If you guys love storage space, let us know. Because we definitely do.
Yeah, we always need more storage space. As you can see, we have a lot of stuff with us today.
Oh, and there's another closet in here. Oh, nice.
Let's take a look in the book.
So there's extra pillow, an iron, an ironing board, some more hangers. Awesome, awesome. Yes. Happy with this room so far. And here we are with the actual full-length mirror.
Well, yeah, I guess this would be more of a full-length mirror, wouldn't it?
Ta-da.
Fit check. All right, let's keep going. So let's take a look at the bed area. This is the first bed. This is a queen bed, babe?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, 2 queen beds. So we are traveling with the kids, so we have to have 2 separate beds. One for us, one for the kiddos. And yes, we selected the room with 2 queen beds.
So then we have a nice nightstand right over here with your typical lamp that also has your typical outlets. And then you have like a nice little clock here. It looks like you can connect some sort of phone, your channel guide, your remote. Beautiful comfy bed with 4 pillows. Nice comfortable sheets. You have your nightstand over there.
One interesting thing too is that it actually has a wall to section it off from the other bed. So we have our TV, we have a dresser, which has multiple drawers, more storage space. These top ones open. There's a menu in here for takeout dining. If you don't already know, there's a Spoon's restaurant downstairs.
As Grace had mentioned, this is just a really interesting design. We love that, especially being a married couple. You know, we don't mind our privacy, obviously. It's just nice to be able to snuggle up, and then the kids have their own privacy to just be able to like have fun. They feel like it's their own hotel room, right? Like, and I think that's kind of what it feels like. It's really nice. It's almost like we're paying for 2 rooms, but it's all in the same place.
All right, so here's our second queen bed, which will probably be for the kids. There's another lamp, another set of nightstands, and then
The AC heater unit.
the AC heater unit.
Let's take a look. Let's take a look at that view, babe. Let's see what kind of view we have. Maybe we can see. And actually, when I was outside right now, I could hear the fireworks from Disneyland, by the way. Yeah, it's crazy, huh? All right.
So we have a view of the backside of the parking lot.
Yeah, there's a Best Buy right over there.
And then actually, if you look down, there's actually a patio down there.
You can kind of see it. There you go. So, and
Where
then
I'm
that's...
sure most people might go just to relax.
Yeah.
And, maybe eat breakfast in the morning.
I was gonna say, I think I might see our car, and so we're parked in this structure right over here. So it's really cool because I think our car is like actually 2 cars down this way, so it's really nice. At least we can keep an eye on the car. But first impressions as we are getting in. Obviously, we've stayed here before, babe, but this particular room,
I like it.
Yeah.
So far, I like it. There's a lot of space. It's exactly what I was looking forward to having.
yeah. And then I think as soon as we walked into the hotel, the lobby, all that good stuff, we remembered why we love this hotel so much. Such a beautiful, elegant hotel. But we're gonna enjoy the rest of our night. We just got in, 4-hour trip. We're gonna get ready because tomorrow we have an amazing trip to Disneyland. We'll give you more of the details before we leave because we want to give you an overall impression. What's our favorite part usually of this hotel, babe?
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Always have to enjoy the food. We have to show you the food.
Yeah, but this is on a different level, guys.
Hopefully you guys will understand why we say that.
We'll see you guys soon. For you guys, it's gonna be instantaneous, but for us, it's gonna be a couple of days. Everybody, we are already packed up and set to go. We're gonna go to Disneyland for a little bit and then we're gonna head out home, but we just wanted to give you our final thoughts. Babe, overall, what were your final thoughts? I know we stayed here before, so I already know kind of how you feel, but staying here again after like pretty much almost a year, how do you feel about it now?
I'm happy. I love this room. I think this is my favorite room that we've stayed in at the Ayres, like in general, yeah. So we had the 2 queen beds. We were able to catch breakfast twice, and so we're able to tell you, hey, yesterday they had bacon. Today they had sausage. So they don't have the same things every day.
And they didn't have potatoes yesterday, and they had potatoes today.
They had hash browns yesterday.
They had hash browns.
Country potatoes today.
Yeah, country potatoes today. So I would say the breakfast overall, it's solid. I would still give it about a 4 out of 5 because it's really fresh. It's cooked sometimes to order depending on which one you stay at. Here, not so much because I think they're just cooking for everybody.
Right.
Yeah, but they have good cereal. They have the coffee's pretty good overall, and
pastries.
The pastries.
Honestly, I feel like this location has more pastries than the Anaheim location.
And the one thing that I wish that it had, and I think you guys will probably start seeing like a trend on that, is the waffle maker. Like I love being able to make like those waffles and then like add the stuff onto it, but they didn't have that here.
But they have pancakes every day.
So that's what made up for it, because I mean, if it would have had waffles, I think I would have gave the breakfast almost like a 4.5 out of 5 for sure. The room itself, I liked it. I thought it was spacious. I agree with Grace. It was probably one of my favorite, if not my favorite room. Had a little divider, as you guys saw in the video. It's comfortable, it's fancy, I guess you can say. It just has like a nice luxurious feel, but it's not like priced at like $400 or $500. This is a reasonable hotel, and that's what we've been trying to do, is bring you guys reasonable hotels. They might not be the least expensive, but they're definitely reasonable for what you get. But overall, I enjoyed the stay. It's not our first time at this one or at the Anaheim location, so we knew we were gonna like it, but we were just like really excited to bring it to you guys. That was like, since we started doing these reviews, we knew that this was one of the hotels that we absolutely had to do for you guys. But for me, my final thoughts are still an excellent hotel. But overall, it's very comfortable. I like it, and I will probably come back again.
I think for me, like, it is close to the park, but if it was, and honestly, I think if it was closer to the park, it might be a little more expensive, but I like the price. I like how even if it's not right down the street from the park, it still took us like 5 to 7 minutes to get to the park yesterday, so it's not too bad.
Well, we thank you guys for following along. This is our 4th hotel review in our series of hotel reviews this year, and we hope to bring you much more, and we hope you're finding these useful. Check out our playlist. We have a hotel playlist, and we have some awesome videos coming from Universal Studios, Disneyland, and everywhere else really. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys smash that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Bye.